Now we are going to spell some words with the sounds we have been practicing. We're going to start by stretching out the sounds in a word so that we can hear them clearly. You should be on page 7, and it should look a little bit like mine. We're going to spell words that you will hear me say out loud. So I will say the word, then we'll finger stretch it together. Then you're going to have to pause it so you can fill in the correct letters. Let's try the first one together. Okay, let's start with number 1. The first word is hat. Let's stretch that word together. Your hand is right here and you're ready to finger stretch. Hat. At. Hat. Good. How many sounds did we hear? 3. So we're going to fill in 3 little dots at the top, one for each sound. Since hat has 3 sounds, it will also have 3 letters. We will need to write 1 letter in each box. Let's go ahead and start that together. The first sound I hear is What letter do we need? H. Go ahead and fill in an H. Next I hear What letter? A. Last I hear T. What letter? T. At. Hat. Good. Make sure number 1 on your page looks just like mine. You should fill in 3 dots, 1 for each sound. Then you wrote in the letters that match each sound. Let's try the next one. The next one is fin, as in sharks have more than one fin. Let's finger stretch that word. Fin. 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 How many sounds did we hear? 3. Go ahead and fill in your 3 dots, 1 for each sound. You're on number 2. Fin. The first sound I hear is F. What letter do we need? F. Go ahead and write in the letter. Next I hear I. I. What letter do we need? I. Write the letter I. Last I hear N. What letter? N. Go ahead and write your N. Let's check what we've got. F. I. N. Fin. Good. Let's go on to number 3. The word is sip. Let's stretch it. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. How many sounds did we hear? 3. Go ahead and fill in your 3 dots, 1 for each sound. Now, I'm going to have you fill in the letters we need for the word sip. In just a second, you're going to pause the video when I say pause. You'll finish writing the letters for number 3 for the word sip. And then once you've written them, you'll click play so that we can go to the next one and we'll check number 3 together. All right. Remember, your word is sip. When I say pause, you're going to fill in the letters you need. Ready? Pause. Good. Let's check what we've got so far. For number 3, the word is sip. S. We should have an S. Next, we have I. Finally, we have P. Sip. Sip. Make sure you check your work. If you made a mistake, that's okay. Go ahead and erase it and fix it. Let's go to number 4. Our word is fun. Let's stretch it. Fun. Fun. Good. I hear 3 sounds, so I'm going to need to fill in 3 dots, 1 for each sound. When I say pause, you'll fill in your 3 dots and the letters you'll need for the word fun. Ready? Pause. Good. Let's check our work for number 4. The word is fun. We should have F, U, N, N. Go ahead and check your work if you need to. All right, let's go to number 5. Our word is net. Let's stretch it. Net. N, T, net. Good. I heard 3 sounds. When I say pause, you're going to fill in the amount of dots that you need, 1 for each sound, and the letters for the word net. Ready? Pause. Good. Let's see what we've got. Number 5, the word is net. We heard 1, 2, 3 sounds. N, N, E, T. Go ahead and double check your work and fix it if you need to. Let's go to number 6. Our word is box. Let's stretch it. Box. B-O-X. Box. When I say pause, fill in the amount of dots you'll need and the letters for box. Ready? Pause. Let's check our work. Box has 1, 2, 3 sounds. B, B, A, O, X, X, B, ox, box. Good. Check your work. Let's go on to number 7. Our word is quit. This is a tricky one. This is one of our challenge words on here today. Quit. Let's finger stretch it together. Quit. Qua, it. Quit. How many sounds did we hear? 3. Qua, it. I want you to fill in the sound dots. And on your own, I want you to try and spell the word quit. Qua, it. Quit. Good. Go ahead and pause. Let's see what we've got. Like I said, this was a tricky one. Our first sound is qu. We need the letters Q-U. They're in the same box because they only make one sound. Qu. Qu. E. We have the letter I. T. T. Qu. It. Quit. Double check your work and fix it if you need to. Let's try our next challenge one. The word is beg. Let's stretch it. Beg. B-E-G. Beg. Good. Go ahead and fill in the sound dots and the letters you need for the word beg. Ready? Pause. Let's check our work. B-E-G. I hear 3 sounds. First one is B. We need the letter B. Next I hear we need E. Last I hear G. G. B. E. G. Beg. Our next word is kit. Like there is a tool kit. Let's stretch it. Kit. K. It. Kit. The first sound I heard was K. I almost gave it away for you. I was going on through. Let's have you do this one on your own. When I say pause, fill in the sound bubbles you need for kit and the letters. Ready? Pause. All right, now let's check our work. Kit. K. It. Kit. There are 3 sounds. The first sound I heard was K. So I'm going to put a K. Next I hear I. Last I hear T. K. It. Go ahead and check your work. Let's go on to the last word. Rod. I use my fishing rod. Let's stretch it. Rod. D. Rod. When I say pause, go ahead and fill in the sound dots that you need and the letters for rod. Ready? Pause. Let's check our work. D. Rod. The first sound I hear is what letter? R. Next, I hear ah, o. Last, I hear d, d, ah, d. Go ahead and check your work. Awesome job. You did a wonderful job with phonics today. Nice work spelling some words.